Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. AI video generation has come a long way, but there's still one problem almost every creator runs into. You generate clips in one AI tool, edit them somewhere else, fix mistakes in another platform, and before you know it, your workflow becomes slow, messy, and difficult to manage. Keeping characters consistent across different scenes can be even more frustrating. But what if you could generate an entire AI short film, extend scenes, make precise edits with simple text prompts, and finish everything inside one application? Take a look at this. Everything you just watched was created entirely inside CapCut PC, using the brand new Seedance 2.5 AI video generator. Every scene, every edit, every extension, and the final timeline were all completed without switching between different AI generators or editing software. After spending some time testing it, I found the workflow surprisingly smooth, especially if you're creating AI stories, cinematic videos, or longer-form content. In today's video, I'll walk you through my complete workflow step by step and show you exactly how I created this AI short film entirely inside CapCut PC. Getting started with Seedance 2.5. Let's start from the beginning. First, download CapCut PC using the official link in the description below. I'll open the download page directly through that link, as recommended, instead of searching for it manually. Once it's installed, create a new project, then head over to Media, click Generate, and open AI Video, where you'll find the new Seedance 2.5 model. The first thing I noticed is how clean the entire workflow feels. Everything, from AI image generation and AI video generation to editing and exporting, happens inside the same CapCut project. Instead of constantly exporting files, uploading them to another AI tool, and then importing everything back into an editor, everything stays organized in one place. For larger projects with multiple scenes, this saves a lot of time and keeps the creative process much more enjoyable. Creating consistent AI characters. Before generating my story, I wanted to make sure my main character stayed consistent throughout every scene. Instead of jumping directly into AI video, I first opened AI image and created a character reference. CapCut generated multiple variations of the same character from different viewing angles, giving Seedance much better visual guidance throughout the project. Character consistency has always been one of the biggest challenges in AI filmmaking. Without strong references, faces, hairstyles, clothing, and even body proportions can change from one scene to another. Using reference images gives the AI much more reliable information to work with, resulting in a far more consistent character across the entire story, giving Seedance a much clearer understanding of exactly what you're trying to create. Generating cinematic AI videos. With my character ready, it was time to generate the actual scenes. Inside AI video, I described each scene in detail, including the location, lighting, emotions, camera movement, and character actions. Like most AI generators, the more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result tends to be. One of the biggest improvements in Seedance 2.5 is its support for native 30-second single-segment AI video generation. Instead of creating several short clips and stitching them together afterward, Seedance can generate much longer cinematic sequences in a single generation. I also like how quickly I can build an entire sequence. Rather than generating isolated clips across multiple websites, I can create, organize, and review every scene inside the same project, making the overall workflow much faster, extending and refining scenes. Once the main scenes were generated, it was time to refine everything. The first feature I used was AI Extend. Sometimes a scene ends just before an important action is completed. Instead of generating another disconnected clip, AI Extend naturally continues the existing footage while preserving the same character, lighting, camera movement, and overall environment. The result feels much more natural, making longer stories flow smoothly from one scene to the next. Making precise changes with AI Edit. Sometimes only a small part of a scene needs improvement. That's where AI Edit becomes incredibly useful. Instead of regenerating the entire clip, AI Edit allows you to modify only the selected area using simple text prompts. You can replace objects, improve facial details, update part of the background, or adjust specific moments while leaving everything else untouched. It also supports localized and timestamp-based editing. This level of precision makes experimenting with different ideas much faster while preserving the consistency of your overall project. Throughout the entire workflow, I can move freely between AI video, AI image, AI extend, and AI edit without ever leaving my CapCut project. Editing everything inside CapCut PC. Once all of my scenes were finished, I moved into CapCut PC's professional multi-track editor. Here I assembled the complete AI short film by arranging clips, adjusting pacing, trimming unnecessary moments, adding subtitles, music, sound effects, transitions, and text overlays. Since every AI asset was generated inside the same project, everything stayed neatly organized throughout the editing process. There was no need to export videos, upload them somewhere else, or switch between multiple editing applications. If you create AI videos regularly like I do, having generation, editing, refinement, and exporting available inside one application can dramatically speed up your workflow and make revisions far less frustrating. I think CapCut PC with Seedance 2.5 delivers one of the most complete AI video creation workflows available right now. From creating consistent characters and generating cinematic scenes to extending clips, making precise edits with Edit Pilot and AI Edit, and finishing everything inside a professional multi-track editor, the entire process feels streamlined, organized, and surprisingly easy. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools, you can handle almost everything from one project, which makes creating longer AI videos much more efficient. If you'd like to try it yourself, download CapCut PC using the official link in the description below. After you've tried it, let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you're planning to create first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to SoftGPT for more AI tools, tutorials, and productivity content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.